Please subscribe.
Honda CR-V is a triple threat. It packs a host of high-tech equipment, impressive fuel economy, and copious cargo space. As if that's not enough, the CR-V also boasts contemporary styling and engaging driving dynamics. It's powered by a base 184 horsepower inline-4 or more responsive 190 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4. A standard continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, pairs with front or all-wheel drive. The CR-V's roster of talents earned it a spot on our inaugural 10 Best Trucks and SUVs list. While the compact crossover league is loaded with home run hitters, the CR-V has the stats to be named MVP. What's new for 2018? While a hybrid version is on the horizon, the 2018 CR-V is unchanged until further notice. What was new for 2017? Completely redesigned and re-engineered, the all-new CR-V received more style, more space, and more technology. For the first time, Honda offered it with a turbocharged engine. Further advancements included available adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and a driver attention monitor, among others. Inside, the CR-V became roomier and featured upgraded materials such as a soft-touch dashboard and exquisitely stitched seats. Infotainment additions included a much-needed dedicated volume knob, available Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and optional dual rear seat USB ports. Combined with sleeker and sharper exterior styling, the CR-V was highly improved for 2017. Trims and options we chose for 2017. The X model is an excellent choice, as it offers upgraded tech and creature comforts. For $2,750 more than the Basque LX, it adds heated side mirrors, automatic high beams, remote start, smart entry and push-button start, a power sunroof, and more. Other standard features include 7.0-inch touchscreen Honda Link infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated front seats with 12-way power-adjustable driver's seat. Honda sensing safety and driver assistance equipment. We think front-wheel drive is sufficient for most, but those living with harsh winters or who simply must have all-wheel drive can add it for $1,300. The top-level touring trim may be the ultimate CR-V, yet for roughly $6,000 less, the X is one heck of a deal. We didn't even stop in the options aisle on our way to the checkout, as our well-equipped CR-V X totaled $27,735.